Are you looking to learn about money and finance, but you don't know where to start? Listen, the best finance courses on YouTube can teach you everything that you need to know. Then it's up to you to apply it. All right, so this video is not financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. So let me tell you something. Learning about money, it doesn't have to be hard, it doesn't have to be expensive. YouTube has tons of amazing finance courses that are gonna help you get smarter with your money, no matter your experience. All right? Most of the time, the stuff that you pay for, you find it for free. So let's explore some great options, okay? So first thing, okay? Understanding the money basics. If you're new to finance, check out Khan Academy and The Financial Diet. These channels offer easy to follow lessons about budgeting, saving, investing, helping you build a strong foundation, okay? Second thing, learning to invest. So if you want to learn how money grows, how you can make your money grow, Stephan and Andrei Jikh, and I'll put their names in the description so you know their spelling. They're great options. They offer videos about investing, stocks, real estate, building wealth in simple, fun ways. You got to check them out. Third thing, personal finance and mindset for a boost of motivation. Watch channels like Minority Mindset and Roberto Blake. They help you to develop a smart money mindset while teaching you how to take control of your finances. So start your financial journey today. I wish I started sooner. And if you found this video helpful, give me a like, subscribe if you like. I love you.